Hey guys, in today's quick video, I wanted to show you how you can apply custom branding in Power BI. So out of the box, Power BI gives you a default custom theme, which is shown here. At the top, we have Power BI's logo, and there's also a black upper banner. However, Microsoft recently announced new functionality, which will allow you to apply your own company's themes and colors. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to powerbi.com and log in. Once you're in the home screen as shown here, you're going to want to go into the settings menu. So up in the top right hand corner, you click here, go into settings, and then go into admin portal. From here, I'm going to go down into custom branding. And then as you can see here, there's an option to upload a logo, a cover image, and also adjust your theme colors. So I'm going to start with uploading a sample logo. I'll open that. And I'm also going to experiment with adding a white branding color. So from here, if I want to preview those changes before actually applying them, I can go to preview. And then you can kind of see what this would look like. So I'm going to go back. I am happy with these changes, so I'm going to publish. And then to see those changes in action, I'm going to go to my homepage again, and then I'll refresh my browser. And now you can see my updated logo in the top here, and also updated white backgrounds. So as you can see, adding custom branding to my Power BI web portal is a really quick and easy way to make my Power BI website look more customized and professional. On top of that, it only took a few minutes to implement, which is a major plus in my books. If you guys have any more questions, please let me know in the comments below.